I come from a long line of people who have just been running and running and running and uprooted and chased and pursued and scapegoated and, for so many thousands of years based on our race. From what I can tell, Jews were the first people on the planet to be racialized. Like, the concept of race was invented and laboratoried and perfected diabolically on Jewish bodies, right? Like, we were chased all through, through the Middle East and up into Europe and uprooted over and over and over again over there. And the institutionalization of racism was, they figured all that out by experimenting with it all throughout Europe on Jewish people. And only then was it exported to the Americas and to Africa, to Australia.
Right, a really refined, excellent form.
And then adding in the color piece.
Yeah.
Then it was colorized, then made it even more dastardly.
Right.
But from what I can feel in myself, the reason why I am always thinking about these topics is because that's how my people survived, is by wondering about this thing called race. Like, if I would not be here if my ancestors weren't, thinking about this thing from every single angle and trying to figure it out and stay a step ahead of the game.